As a financial manager, you know that the ability to perform true financial reporting and analysis in Power BI is nearly impossible. While Power BI is a powerful tool, as a standalone product, it offers limited capabilities, like viewing a trial balance and creating simple financial reports. When moving beyond simple reports, users will eventually encounter major issues surrounding calculations, accurate account information, disjointed data, and more. Dealing with these errors is burdensome and an underlying reason why financial professionals can't take full advantage of the powerful capabilities of Power BI. deFacto Power Planning changes all of that effortlessly. For instance, it automatically loads data and handles debit, credit, and time balances, making sure the signs in your income statement and balance sheet are always correct. deFacto Power Planning turns Power BI into a powerful, GAAP-compliant financial reporting and analysis tool. See for yourself. Visit us at deFactoglobal.com to schedule your personalized demo today.